Hi everyone. So I just wanted to show you all the how much books that I sold since the lifetime of me being an author, which I started being an author, a published author in 2021. So I've sold close to 111 copies, but all of them was not, I didn't make a lot of money from it, only because I gave away a lot of my books for free when I did the free promotion. So yeah. Um If you can see here, I only made $49.77, which is not much, but it's more than enough for me because I didn't expect to make a lot of money from the book in the beginning, and I know that it will pick up momentum somehow if people see this see my book in on Amazon and see that they want to read it and stuff like that. But yeah. So this is just like me showing the breakdown of how much money that I made from the book, which isn't a lot, but it's still something to me because I worked hard on the book, and I know that maybe somehow, some way, some people will look at the book and want to buy it. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.